Reef.
You're on video. Where? There, man. Tropicana, that's me, brother.
Here, okay?
Smells like chicken here.
Low doggy. Dogs are gas. Now it's on, you can give it a wave.
Can you like shove it back?
Which?
This. This.
The holes or the holes?
Holes. Yeah, sorry. They have
Just to
names.
straighten them up,
Thank
like.
you.
Put on the watch, lad.
It looks like a murder van.
Put on the watch, lad. Put on the watch.
Yeah, top.
Oh, doggy. How are you? Oi, oi. Sorry. Hello, doggy. Shh. Shh.
Como calcio y colágeno. Colágeno parcial, calcio aquí compré una vitamina, me costó calcio experimento.
Rob, see the dog? Rob. He's waiting in line as well, like. He's waiting in line. He's not moving, like. Oh, he's gone.
¿A 20 listas? No, 25 listas. 10 pastillas, 10. ¿Tiene que hacer eso ahí? No. Ah, trabaja, ¿ves?
Hola. So,
Rápido.
Rapido.
Juan.
Oh,
Hola.
you man. Oh, sketchy down here. Be careful there. It's quality.
Fancy a thing with that light because I have a shadow.
What do you mean you have a shadow? Sorry. Okay.
That light the people coming.
Jesus, that must be it, man. People coming down from it. That look,
Long way to go.
so steep as fuck. No, I got it.
See, that's it. 21. Ah, 2.
I'm having 3.
You went up your marshmallows, it's just to melt later, isn't it? Yeah, probably.
I haven't had marshmallow in a fucking long time.
He was holding out on us, he
Maybe you
was.
should put them flumps.
There was a plum. Plumps were the roundy ones.
So I always used to chew on mine.
So wholesome.
Isn't it?
I'm afraid to be one. Can't be reaching over it. Who was just the one marshmallow? Someone made a joke about marshmallows today, didn't they? That was mushrooms.
Mushrooms, yeah. It's fungi. Oh, it's on fire. Ski up. Oh. This horse is blocking the way, is he?
Around him.
Die achter gaan staan, hè, die dat hij niet kikt.
Just I wouldn't go on the back of him.
Don't want the back.
Jesus, don't go at the back of him.
Right, go the other way.
Langs voor gaan.
Let him. Watch out, he's trying to get by. He's trying to get by.
Here and sort this out.
Go on, Rob.
Come on, baby. Yay, come on.